Our eyes serve as the gateway to the world, enabling us to behold the beauty of nature and to deeply appreciate the familiar faces of our loved ones. The gift of sight not only allows us to see, but also empowers us to connect with others and to fully experience the richness and diversity of life itself. Many face preventable blindness and vision impairment caused by treatable conditions such as cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy. In response to these pressing health challenges, Old Mutual partnered with the Zimbabwe Eye Institute to launch the Eye Camp initiative, aimed at enhancing eye health services for underserved communities with a special focus on the elderly. The Eye Camp delivered crucial eye care services to combat the widespread occurrence of vision impairments and preventable blindness. The objective was to perform an average of 15 surgeries daily, aiming to make a significant impact on improving eye health within the community.
Our partnership with Old Mutual stems from the fact that we know that the country is facing difficult times in terms of our health delivery system. And obviously, we are trying to look at different models, different ways of doing things. Most of our patients who we deal with are the elderly, mostly above 65. So basically what we're doing is we're running a campaign where we are doing cataract surgeries for those who need it, and then obviously spectacles and appliances also for those who need it.
Ndani makore akati wandei ndichitambudzika nemaziso. Ndichitadza kuona, ndichiona zvinonga mhute hazvichanyatsi kuoneka zvakanaka. Ndakagara ndakadaro ndichishaya kuziva kuti ndoitawo sei ndani sina mari.
Dambudziko iri rakatanga kare ndichimboona achimbobaya-baya achiswinya ndofunga kuti kune makore akati kana kuti 12 apfuura.
I couldn't read the bottom of the TV, and I've got a good TV. And I battled to read that. I had to listen rather than read.
Ndikada kufamba ngandiri kuona mhute, ngandiri kuda kuchika mumakomba, ndisafamba zvakanaka nekusaisunungukawoba kuita icho neicho kubudikidza ngekusaiona zvakanaka.
I've had bad eyesight for a few years, but it was very noticeable since about a year ago. It was very difficult to see. In fact, I could hardly see anything.
Through the collaboration with the Zimbabwe Eye Institute and Old Mutual Zimbabwe, a beacon of hope emerges to bridge this critical gap in eye care services. With every consultation, examination, and surgery, a ripple of transformation spreads through the community, shaping a brighter future.
So now when I look, I can see people very clearly. and I look around me in the garden, I can see the leaves on the trees, the flowers, it's nice to see people smile. It's wonderful.
Zvichawandudza kugara kwangu kwakanaka ngekuti ukanga usingaoni zviro zvinonetsa, saka ndiri kutenda kuti ndabatsirika, kugara kwangu kuchaita nyore.
Zvichatibatsira zvakanyanya ngekuti ndinonga ndakufambawo kuita basa, kuendawo kuchechi, kuendawo panonga pachiungana wamwe kana mumarufu hapana uchanditungamira, ndonga ndakufambawo ndega, hapana anonditungamira.
As vision is restored and lives are enriched, the true essence of hope and resilience shines through.
At least someone is remembering the elderly. In a big way, this has been very, very helpful. Imagine getting the op done. You get to the op center in comfort. None of them was in discomfort or anything. To me, I've no words, but it's something that I'm sure and I know my residents are really appreciating.
Unfortunately, when it comes to your eyesight, especially with cataracts, they are totally limited. And to be able to have an operation that would rectify their sight is an amazing opportunity for them.
Chirongwa ichi kune vamwewo vanoda kubatsirwa vakasangana nacho ngavaendawo vakasununguka. Ndinokutenda zvikuru old Mitchell.
Wakaunza chirongwa ichi chekuti watigadziriwo isusu tigonewo kuona. Ndinowatenda chaizvo ngekuti nhasi uno ndagadzirwa ndaakuonawo.
Through the eyes, a world of possibilities unfolds, illuminating the path to a life filled with clarity and connection. Old Mutual. Do great things every day.